Looking for a powerful, reliable hammer drill to crush through concrete, wood, or steel? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best electric hammer drills you can buy right now. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Watch the entire list, and you'll be able to decide which one suits you best. Item number 5, introducing the Kamolee 2000-watt brushless cordless rotary hammer drill, a powerful, lightweight tool built for performance. With a maximum output of 2,000 watts, it delivers speeds up to 3,200 RPM and 1,600 impacts per minute. Weighing only 2.57 kilograms, it features 4 working modes, making it ideal for drilling in concrete 16 millimeters, steel 13 mm, and wood 26 millimeters. Powered by a reliable rechargeable battery and compatible with Makita batteries, this drill combines efficiency, mobility, and durability, perfect for both professional and DIY use. Item number 4. Meet the V-Lasting 1680 Dewalt Brushless Demolition Hammer, a powerful cordless tool built for versatility. With a 20-volt brushless motor, it delivers up to 3,500 RPM and 4,800 IPM, ensuring high performance across tasks. Compatible with Makita and Dewalt 18-volt batteries, it supports drilling, hammering, chiseling, and electric pick modes. Ideal for granite, concrete, and brick walls, this SDS tool features a dust-proof, waterproof, and shock-proof design. Lightweight at 2.6, it's perfect for home DIY projects. Use a high-capacity battery for best results. Item number 3, introducing the Dewalt 2000-watt brushless rotary hammer, a lightweight yet powerful tool built for performance. Weighing only 1.6 kilograms, it features dual modes for drilling and chiseling, with a no-load speed of 680 RPM and up to 4,800 IPM impact frequency. Ideal for concrete, steel, and wood, it supports SDS bits and fits 18 to 21-volt batteries. Perfect for home DIY or construction, this cordless hammer offers durability, precision, and comfort with its compact design and rust-resistant build, making tough jobs faster and easier. Item number 2, introducing the 20 Pro Brushless Rotary Hammer, a powerful cordless tool built for precision and performance. With a no-load speed of up to 900 RPM, it features 4 functions: drilling, hammer drilling, chiseling, and chisel angle adjustment. Designed for wood 26 mm, steel 13 mm, and concrete up to 30 mm, it offers ergonomic comfort with a 360 rotating handle and non-slip grip. Weighing 2.9 kilograms, it includes a depth gauge for accurate drilling. Ideal for home DIY or pro use, this drill ensures durability, control, and versatility without overheating. Item number 1, introducing the Pro 2280-watt brushless rotary hammer, built for safety, power, and comfort. With dual clutch protection and a 360-degree adjustable handle, it ensures wrist safety and flexible control. The powerful motor delivers 800 RPM and 4,500 impacts per minute, handling heavy-duty tasks with ease. It supports hammer drilling and chiseling with a max drilling diameter of 36 millimeters. An SDS chuck ensures secure bit changes, while the anti-shock system reduces vibration. Perfect for concrete, brick, or home DIY, this tool boosts efficiency without overheating. Which of these electric hammer drills is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.